Ooh, ciao. Hey, you guys. Good morning. Good morning, you guys. Anyways, so Kitty got all of her babies. We got all the babies down. It's four of them. We don't have to rock on eight any, but we don't have. Sit down. We don't hear her crying no more, nothing like that. She don't be looking up to the roof crying or whatever like that. So that's a good thing. And we got all inside. Ooh, like I said, I can't wait for them to get older. Enough food in this morning. One, two, three, four. Kitties are eating. Okay, you guys, so it's like later on and in the evening time. More like afternoon, but anyways. I'm about to go and get me something to eat. It's my cheat day, okay? I'm gonna make some burger, kung burger and fries. And maybe like 3 clicks. I'm not sure, but yeah. Why am I talking like this? I don't know. Anyway, so I want to show you guys my food when I get it, and probably go to the beach. I was thinking about going to the park, but I think it's going to be too late to go to the park to take Brianna on the swings or a little stroll, because too much mosquitoes be out in the evening time like crazy. Like a bunch of mosquitoes be around her push kid. I talking about the thousands. We went to the swings and I left a push. Oh my god, like over 1,000 mosquitoes. I'm not even over exaggerating. Anyways, guys, so I know it's a lot of wind, but we stopped at the beach. The beach has a playground, so we decided to let Brianna come and play for a little bit. As you can see, her and her father's on the swing because these ones are pretty dirty. The little baby ones, they're pretty dirty, so we don't want to put her on it. At least one of those got sand in it, so I'm just waiting for the sand to dry a little bit so I can brush it off. But I don't want to like filthy. I haven't been on the swing for years. Let me see if my big ass could go on one of these. I'm scared. I ain't going this side. Baby! Baby! Ready, set, go! Ah! Good job. Hey, you guys, what's up? It's don't mind my wig cap ears stiffen up. I didn't glue it down this morning. I'm just gonna make a run real quick to get me some more face products for my face because I ran out. I only ran out of one, so yeah, I'm about to get that real quick. Then I have to go home and clean up my room because in there's a mess.
Huh? Yeah. When you see don't work with people in the back here. And don't never, because that cause it back up. You let them go around. Take your time, get on the corner, when you see a way clear, you go.
So got the products. Anyways, guys, so no, don't put on your mouth. The dirty. I'm home. I also stopped by the beauty shop. I didn't record to get me some hair. Y'all know Mother's Day is coming up on Monday. The day is Friday. So, and I have to go look for something to wear. I'm so bored. Child, y'all, I'm looking a hot mess, so I'm back. I cleaned my room at home, came back here. Now I'm cooking some curry chicken and white rice with, yeah, crab salad. I already did the crab salad. Seasoning chicken. Oh, it looks so horrible. Seasoning chicken. Now I have the rice on. Okay. I thought I was gonna start my hair today because I buy some weaves for my hair. But look like I have to start it probably tomorrow. Or if I'm not tired, I'm gonna start it tonight. I won't go in the shower, it's so bad. I'm so hot. I can't wait to finish cooking. It feels like Sunday. Today's only Friday. Why am I cooking this curry chicken and shit? Oh my gosh. Anyways, Brianna's singing. She want the TV back on. I paused the TV so I can record. But let me show you guys the pot. So we got the rice going. Crab salad already made. Chicken already seasoned inside. I'm about to put the chicken on in a minute. Okay, Bree. Ciao. Anyways, you guys, so I'm done from cooking. I'm about to go inside the tub real quick. I'm hot. I'm about to bathe Brianna first, then go inside the tub. Yeah. Oh my god, watch this look on the floor. I get on my clothes. Sit down, please. Sit down. I believe everything we have was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with loose women. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. Ooh, child. Anyways, you guys. Ooh, I done bathed Brianna. Food and cook. Y'all, I'm sweating inside. I need to go inside the tub. Yeah, I need to go inside the tub. I need to go inside the tub. Bree don't eat. I don't eat. Y'all, I was supposed to share all the food, but when her father comes home, I'm gonna record his food because he isn't home yet. I forgot to show you guys. Yeah, the food is done. I'm gonna try to fix it up a little bit, you know, not make it look messy, even though it tastes good, you know. But sometimes he take up his food sloppy, like when he just come home from work and he's tired, he just want to eat. Yeah, but I'm gonna try to take it up for y'all. Let me put rice on.
Meet him, baby, come.
Good enough?
More. Hungry, hungry. More. Two more.
Enough?
One more.
Don't act.
Half. Alright. Whatever on the say with
breakfast. No, whatever it is, you're supposed to add more to the thing. Get some curry chicken, white rice, and crab salad.